The next stop, I'm going to check out this place called Sunny Jin's Cave. And this is a tunnel that was established in right around 1902 and apparently was used for bootlegging. So let's go check this out. And it's also a historical landmark. Go inside. So this is the actual start of going to Jim's Sea Cave. Check it out. And they call it Sunny Jim. Steep steps. And it cost me, see how steep it is.
Especially for that guy. Uh-oh.
No. Hello. No, apparently, like I said, this may have been used for bootlegging. I'm not really sure, but I would probably say it was, because it is like a kind of a secret cave. But this is neat. And you got to get here certain times because obviously weekends it's really packed. And continuing down, this is Sunny Jim's Cave, apparently used for bootlegging. And this is the number 2 reason why you should visit La Jolla. Check out this cave. It costs you $10, $7 for military. Well worth it. So time to leave Sunny Jin's Cave and go check out number 3. And I think you're going to like number 3, really. It is really neat. And I have to say, I like caves. There's something mystique about them. So that's why I call this number 2. Because 1, you got to hike the coast trail to get here. Kinda. And you go up these stairways. You can see how steep these stairs are to go into the cave. But it's worth coming down here. Well lit. Best time to come, obviously during the week. And a good workout. How cool was that for my number 2 stop for visiting Sunny Jin's Cave? This is the last look at the store. And there is the sign. Wow, I came here just in time. A big tour bus just showed up. And actually show you where the cave entrance is. It actually is down there. And that is Goldfish Point. You see how beautiful that is. And we'll continue our walk and even eat a nice cafe.